see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
That's so annoying. Focus. Focus. Welcome back, guys. Let me turn this on before I get copyrighted. But welcome back to the NewbyFam now. Oh my god, you guys can't even see Ziggy. Hold on. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another day with us. Right now, we're actually. Okay, no, I'm gonna turn the light on for a second. Not really supposed to drive with this light, but. Let me just put my seatbelt on for a second. We're actually going on a little date. Grandpa decided to watch Nyla, so we are going on a little date. I just bought a freaking memory card. They're so expensive, man. I already knew when I was going to Shoppers Drug Mart that it was going to be that expensive, but I'm like, we need one. Because my other one, I have stuff saved on it, and I couldn't delete them because there's vlogs on there. So I was trying to save them to my computer, but I was like real iffy about it. But right now we're going to the keg because Ziggy feels like we're going to the keg, and then we're probably gonna go to the casino. Originally we had plans to go to this massage place in Toronto. It's really known. It's called the Go Place. But when I was looking at it online, it said how the massages, they don't do lotion, they don't do oil. Basically you get massaged on top of your clothes. I'm assuming because of COVID. But what's the point of that? Like, I feel like that just defeats the purpose of getting a deep tissue massage, like a nice massage.
And then reduce the price now.
This is what I'm saying. Like, I know the prices aren't bad, but it's just the fact that, like, how come for a massage, like, I need to be like skin massage, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that got canceled. Yeah, so that kind of shook up our plans tonight, but it's fine, whatever, because we had planned from like beginning of the week, but it's whatever. And they have like sauna there, they have the pool and all this other stuff. If it's somewhere that you want to go and check out, I mean, you guys can definitely go and check it out. It's like when you just sit there and it's like all steam. Yeah, so Nyla's with Grandpa, and we're just gonna listen to some music and chill out because it's parents' night out. I'm joking. Anyways, guys, I'm so cheesed because this is not what I wanted to do with my hair. I wanted to do like a slick back, but I washed my hair today. And I can't put any products in my hair because I'm planning to color it tomorrow. I finally, hopefully, found a color that will get my hair black, because right now I don't know what is going on. Like, my hair is like a brown and I don't like it. It's like a dirty brown. I just don't like it. So I linked up my hairdresser and she told me what to do. So me and Sean are gonna color our hair tomorrow because she's struggling as well with getting hers black. So hopefully it works. It was just like a black, I guess, but not really too black. Or maybe like a dark brown. I don't know. But
so yeah, should I get black?
Yeah, I want my hair to be like black. I like black hair. I don't want no brown, like, yeah.
You're probably gonna just like black hair for long.
No, I remember I was black for like how long? I just recently switched up.
You were black.
Yeah, my hair was black before the red. Wow, you don't remember?
Aren't you black?
You're so you're so silly. But yeah, Ziggy bought me a perfume. He's so cute. Oh, so sweet. Yo, you guys need to take this in though. You guys see how we're in our puffer jackets? It is, well, I guess it's October, so it's like fall. It's usually cold around this time, but I'm like, damn, like, I'm going outside in my long sleeves. Ziggy's like, just so you know, it's cold outside, because he was outside. I'm like, bruh, I'm not ready for the winter, and I actually need to send in my jacket to get a new one. Like, lit.
I think y'all make Christmas like this.
Huh?
We can work with this for the whole Christmas.
You want this weather for the whole Christmas?
No, not wrong. Work with this for the whole Christmas.
It's actually crazy because, I was about to say, there was one year where like winter started so late. It started so late. So I mean, if winter was like this, I actually wouldn't mind it.
I know.
But this morning was cold. When I went to work this morning, Ziggy, I was like, oh my god. And mind you, I had tights underneath my scrubs, and I had a long sleeve and a sweater. I was like, holy smokes. So anyway, the perfume that I got is a Juicy Couture perfume. So big up yourself.
Are you lighting me?
I know the lighting's crappy, but it's okay. It's fine. Technically, we're not really supposed to be driving with the light on, so.
Why?
Oh.
They don't want to see you in a car.
That's what I always heard. I always heard them say that you're not supposed to drive with the light on.
When you light on, the more easier for them to see you in a car, so right?
I guess if you say so. I was about to say something, that's why it's cut like that.
Why you work today?
Yeah, I went to work today. It was a short shift. It was just like a pickup shift. I just did like a 6 hours, and then after I regret it. Yo, anytime I pick up a shift, I always regret it.
What do you mean you regret? Like,
I always pick it up.
So you go in.
Yes.
Why?
I always regret going in because it's just, I'm there and I'm like, I was like over it. I was so over it. But the minute I got there, and plus it was just early in the morning, and I'm like, you know what, it's okay. I'm finishing early, so whatever. It's fine.
Crap. Nisha, remember that? Yes, we pass.
Yeah, I know.
We pass.
Yeah, but you can go right. I was gonna tell you, but I'm like, whatever.
I'm not really taking. I mean, if you go into the too.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know, all the hustling and saying, man, cheap. Man, cheap, your friend. After me did the reason with the man I say, I want to take off some people call it stircle, also. Stircle or something. The popcorn
The popcorn ceiling, yeah.
So I tell the man, say, alright, rounds up that the piece of quail over there, make it go mad up in me and man I kill them, you know? Like the man I say, alright. By the time liquor the man call him back again, say, oh, can you cut it down to a lower?
Oh my god.
You know? Man just a try
Use
like,
and abuse.
yeah. You know?
Some people are like that, and then it's like if you were to do that to them, they'll be like, no. Like, your price is your price. And you know what, Ziggy? Yeah, this is a practice for you for when you have your own business, because people are gonna do that. And you know, it's not to say that you're never going to kind of like try to work with people, but that what he did was like,
I know.
Disrespectful, okay?
I was saying like me actually when they said earlier, like me I say, like after me give him an answer on a price and so like me I say, yo, I say feel. But then after when he call back again, I give him a next price again, and like him I say, oh, if we can cut it down, I say, yo, you can like you have to go just. I guess that's why they have contract on them.
Because then once you say the price, say, yeah, that's the price.
But I kind of like it. If I write still our energy, how am I do? I say, watch them. Fuck are them messy man, I say the engine all see.
I know, sometimes they lie.
I say ambulance they pass since the man wait till he reach. Like I need to say he like catch him. Man turn on his sound.
That's the sound it makes. First I ever heard that one. Usually I hear but Ziggy said,
I don't say it so nice.
But it's better than what you just did. So like some karate.
I cat them.
Yo, do you remember I cat that? Yo guys, when we're in Jamaica, it always used to sound like the cat was saying Nisha. And I'll be sleeping there, but the cat would always come by the head, like not the head, but like the window. It sounded like it was saying Nisha, or one of them sounded like it was always screaming out like it.
Let me go.
Yeah, like some weird noise. Oh, sorry.
To me, cat always like cat can chat.
no, your cat can, or your guys' cat can chat, because that was so weird.
You ever see video them on YouTube?
Yes.
When that cat say it like.
You never hear Canadian cats make the sounds that Jamaican cats hear. And all when we had our dog Nova, rest in peace Nova. But when we had our dog Nova, oh my gosh, that dog is so whenever the other dog, like the mongrel dog, like Jamaican dogs would see Nova, the way how they would just stare and look at her, you're like, you know when you're foreign to come to Jamaica, and how some people would just stare at you like new face. That's how the dogs used to stare at Nova. You know, Nova's like a different breed, and Nova just be Nova's there walking and like go up to them and they would run. Yo, I'm like, what? I think it was one time she got rushed, but they were like pit bulls or something like that. Yeah. But yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to go with the flow tonight. Freestyle it, because our plans I was actually excited to go to get some massage, man.
Me too.
I was so excited. And it's a cute. No, you didn't. Go straight. And it was like a cute little place too, man.
Cause like when that time I don't like plan.
Yeah.
I
know you. Since the day I met you, you always said that you don't like planning.
Yeah. And they're planning more. Like I quick if things go wrong.
Yeah.
Or like it just no work. You know. I better just get up and do. Or plan for an idea then. Not like 3, 5, 6 days before.
Mind you guys, we were supposed to go out from like earlier and I fell asleep. I said I was taking a nap, but then Nala took a nap. But then I woke up and saw you taking a nap.
Then if everybody they sleep, one feeling must go sleep too. All I made, you ain't tell me, you promised me.
So we're off tomorrow, relax man, you go.
See them me want to do.
Are you going somewhere tomorrow?
You don't know.
What bye?
Don't buy me.
Yo, I'm tired man, like night shifts are just taking a hold on my... What are you doing? Go straight. Jesus, you're driving
right,
like
just look weird, my youth. Like
it's your first time driving. Anyways, we about to go inside. So once we're settled inside, you know, we'll come check back in with you guys. You would literally show up here and forget your wallet. Tell me I'm lying. So this is the fit. We got our puffer jacket on. It's like literally nothing. Anyways, so we're here at the keg.
Cock and fluffy, eh?
Oh, zooming up in my face. So guys, we're inside when we're just waiting for our table. We didn't know if we had to book a reservation or not. A lot of places you go, you do have to book reservation. So right now we're just waiting. You can sit outside as well, but we don't want to sit outside. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, we are.
Enjoy your dinner tonight.
Shout out to the staff at the keg because they're so friendly. Usually people are so scared when they see the camera.
Really?
Yeah, they're like, or they get like really shy. So I'm surprised you guys.
Older people?
I don't know. Some places you go, they're just funny. Like, I don't know.
I'm fine with it.
Oh, okay, well.
Are we celebrating anything this evening?
Just a date night.
Date night?
Yeah.
Sorry. They're just gonna be right over here.
Okay. Oh, this is cute. So this is where we're sitting. It's so cute. Damn, my battery. So you guys can't look. It won't even focus on me. So guys, the lighting is so garbage in here. Oh my gosh! Like, move the light, Ziggy. Huh? Move the light. This is without light. This is because I guess it's supposed to be like romantic. So this is the light up there. Ziggy got to do this.
On a video shoot and set.
I look like a ninja. I look so like a ninja.
What are you doing in the mask now?
Oh yeah. Totally forgot I could take off my mask now. But yo, the staff here is so nice. Like usually when we go out and we vlog, people are kind of like you know, like don't catch me, or they just have like this weird vibe. They're like super friendly. But anyways, we just got here. We're gonna look at the menu and get some drinks.
Got some drinks.
Last time we got wine. We just said we're not getting wine today. We're gonna try something different. But I already know what I want to eat.
I think I'm kind of getting into the wine thing, you know?
Hey, Ziggy's turning on wine, man.
Why?
Yeah, let's just look at the menu, and then someone's staring at me so awkward. We are cheersing to the NewbyFam because yo, you guys support us so much and we really appreciate it. Big up your guys' self. We don't know all of you guys. We've met some of you guys, but like the way how you guys show so much support, even when we're not uploading and not consistent, like
I know.
That's big. That's big. That's big. So big up your guys' self. We're cheersing to you guys. You're supposed to drink after a chair. That's disrespectful.
Oh.
Yo, so Ziggy
They
is...
know I'm not shot, no disrespect, man.
Ziggy is on to wine now. Usually when we go out, he drinks like
Pop.
either pop or like a rum or a beer. Really rare beer, but my
I was
man
going for like
said
some smoothie or them something them I was looking for.
but yeah, I don't know
On the
if
computer, yeah?
by the time this vlog goes up,
Maybe
we really late. But I don't know if you guys are keeping up with the 9-year-old girl that was missing or abducted in Jamaica, but they found her. Guys, when I tell you I got goosebumps, I want to cry, Ziggy.
Scary.
I'm so happy that they found her alive. Like, God is so good.
I'm not cut it, but the first time when we see picture, like me I say, nah man, I must somebody want to know this little girl. Because at first I think the little girl had me hand around him, so he looked to me. So like me I say, nah man, this look like somebody why she know.
A lot of people were saying that because I was reading some of the comments. Some people were like, oh, maybe it's her dad or maybe it's like a family member. But the one thing I can say is, yo, Jamaicans, big up your guys' self, because the way how that community came together when that little girl was missing and really searched, like, I know sometimes we see some videos of Jamaica and we're like, yo, why are they like that with one another? But just know when it comes to them coming together,
yeah man, when it come, like, one thing I know for sure, when it come on to certain things happen in a community, like everybody come together. You know? Number one, if you rape somebody in a Jamaica or in a community and they know who do it or molest no picnic or nothing at all, like, trust me, like, you at the end of the day you see everybody come together, you really go wonder, like, say, yo, you know, white people can't stay so all the time.
don't put this hand up. It's trying to focus on your watch.
Put it.
And then yeah, because even like speaking like community, you guys know we usually do our give back. By the way, I'm so sad because we were doing so good of back-to-back give backs. This year we didn't, but it's okay. Actually, I lied. We did. We sent on the tablets.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. But physically to throw our give back, you know, I look forward to that. But anyways,
COVID up.
even like when we're doing our give backs and the way how the community will come out and help us, from the kids to the adults. Big up yourself, Clarkstown. But just to know that the unity is there and it needs to be there is really nice. So yeah, that's what we're sitting here talking about.
I wonder with yes, I'm sorry. When you see you them in Jamaica, trust me, like when I tell anybody at all, say yo, just look out for you them, because if I did you them good and you them a respectful, you know, like on a different level, trust me, like, because when we do the thing down so, like even before we wake up, like all like kids them the out door, like,
they will literally
when
be
they
outside.
come, like, we'll put up his in them and like.
And you guys have seen that, like they'll literally be outside excited because like, it's stuff that they don't really see. Even when we're going to the beach, like we'll bring as much as we can.
Real, man.
And you should just see how excited they are just to go to the beach, the freaking beach, and these kids are so excited. Like I can't wait to touch back out there, which will be soon.
Your family must say somebody call out Nisha. Yeah.
What?
Say oh them what do you call you again?
Someone said I owe them?
Yeah.
What
big time. They say well NewbyFam owe them big time. Meet and greet.
Oh yeah, I actually seen that. You know what? The next time we go there, I will actually do a meet and greet. Yeah, I'll let the 2 people come. I am doing it. I'm gonna do it.
I just the right place, man. Like you just want to find somewhere in a middle-ish part. Everybody can say well.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Like if you go take me that long, me not a problem.
Yo,
you know? And
I still can't get over the fact that I've been bumping into so many followers in my city. Like it's so nice. And honestly, when you guys see me, Ziggy, don't be shy to come say hi to us. Like come say hi. Because when the last girl I met at the nail salon, big up yourself, sweetie, she was shy. She was like scared to say hi. She's like, well, I thought it was you and then I heard the voice. But if you do watch this vlog, big up yourself. It's nice meeting you guys. I really like it. It's nice. You guys are sweet. And for the person who said, oh, maybe I'm pregnant, no honey, this is just good loving that got me looking like this, okay? the food's here.
This is your butter.
Oh,
Yeah, so they
wow,
changed
fancy.
how we don't have candles to light anymore for birthdays, so I guess they want us to do that.
I'm so dead.
I'll be right back.
So guys, this is my dinner tonight. I want to try something different. So last time I got the shrimp and steak. This time I got some lobster, mashed potato and steak, and I got a little bit of veg. And Ziggy got what I got last time, which was the shrimp, the steak, and some mashed potato.
I think my belly they get big.
Your belly is getting big. Anyways, we're about to dig in, no camera, but to dig in. Yo, so we just finished eating and stuffing our face.
You're firing up.
Who's firing at you? How? With what?
You're firing at the barbecue cold.
Yo, it's freezing. I'm actually, listen to my teeth. Listen. You guys hear that? I'm actually cold. Like, I wish I took out my freaking winter jacket. When it comes to winter time, you think I have time to be looking like cute? I need to be warm. This feel like what? And I'm always
like
bawling.
December time in Jamaica.
And aren't I always bawling for cold when it's like this?
That's all to trick me.
And you guys are always laughing at me.
So we're not gonna laugh at sound because you know from Jamaica the ball is cold. Oh my god, it's so cold!
Come, let me put the seat warmer on. I'm cold.
So cold! And with the Jamaica they say, oh, going so extra for it.
Literally everyone always said I was extra. I'll be outside. Focus. I'd be outside and my hand will be like in my jacket. Everyone's like, it's not that cold. I'm like, it's cold.
It's really not that cold though.
Ziggy, it's freezing.
So when me come in on me, they tell him say time cool. This a name cool, this can lock in somebody lock up in our freezer.
Bruh.
And I say, you know, come out. And you did that, I say, oh, whoa.
Anyways, we're about to drive. I need to listen to some music because I feel nice right now.
Yo, you see anyone out and come on? Come on. I'm gonna prepare for a little cool, all that me can see.
Oh, that's why I'm always blocking the mic up here.
Prepare for a little bit of cool. Not a little bit, whole heap. Mommy, I tell you no. Whole heap of clothes.
See you guys! We're on our way to the casino.
That's the only thing.
So yo, we just left the casino. We went in there with a budget. We made back what we went in there with plus profit. And I told you, I'm like, let's go. So we're on our way home right now. So it was a good night out. It's just freezing. Like, it's actually so cold. You guys probably hear the breeze in the phone, but
Baby, back my money.
me too. This was the first time I went to this one. Where do we park?
See you later.
So I'm just gonna go home and chill, probably watch some Netflix. It's so dark.
You only thing, like, yo, you see blackjack? No. Yeah. You only thing with blackjack, as I say, it give you a better odds of, okay, my sister me can't win.
Yeah, but if I didn't tell you stop just now, Ziggy, you would have continued
because
to
man,
go.
Yo, man have the flow, you know.
If I didn't tell him to stop, he would have kept going. Sometimes it's not the
man
flow.
Go
by. Go flow. But look, I'm gonna tell you, win the same amount of money. That means you're supposed to go.
No, that I try to tell you, say, alright.
No.
You know what you have to do right, you know, calm down. Just calm down and bet
cash
small.
out and leave. That's what I'm
you
telling
bet
you to do.
small.
Nah.
And then make 5 game run off which part lose and then you say, alright. Hook him. You ever go upon it and get fish and you throw out your line and you did it nothing and go and you throw it again, nothing and go and you throw it. And the next time you just hook him.
No, yeah, look at my time you hooked. Or else you would have walked away with nothing. Anyways, guys, the vlog is ending right here. We hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Big up here, guys. Excuse me, self. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't know, so that help out the algorithm for each channel, you know?
Yeah, so big up your guys' self.
You can see what go on.
True.
See badness.
Have a good night.
Yeah, we cry. Them not care for you were we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is up. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone.